Hi everyone, it's Ollie Walsh here, and in this video I'm going to show you how for £3 you can be a property spy by downloading information from the Land Registry. So let's go! So what is the Land Registry? Well, the Land Registry is a government department which registers the ownership of land and property in England and Wales. So let's say you're trying to find out information about a specific property that you might be interested in buying, for example. Well, you can go onto the Land Registry and download all publicly available information about that property for just £3. So let's show you how to do it. So step one, you need to open your browser and go to gov.uk/search property-information-land-registry. That'll take you to this page. Click Start Now, and that'll take you over to the Land Registry. Next, enter the postcode of the property that you're interested in finding out about. I've just selected a random property for this. Search. We can see that there are three things available for this specific property. We've got the title register that contains all the various information about the property and its current owner. The title plan, that's basically a map which shows where the property is with a red outline around the property boundary, and a flood risk indicator result. We're not particularly interested in that. So in this specific example, let's download the title register and title plan. So let's tick both of these and click purchase. Now, if you don't have an account, click create an account and set up an account with the Land Registry. I already have one, so I'm just going to click login. I'm going to sign in. So let's check out and go through the payment process. I already did this earlier and downloaded the documents, so we're going to skip ahead to that part now. So let's have a look at what these actual documents are. So this is the official title of the property, and this contains all relevant legal information about the property, including who the current owner is and the price that they purchased it for. So as you can see here, we've got the address of the property, we've got the price stated, so that's the latest price that the property was sold for, and then underneath that, and this is the great part, you've got the registered owner. Now I've blanked this out here because I don't want to release some random person's information online, but it gives you the owner's name and the owner's home address. So unless this person purchased this property to actually live in, it'll give a different address. And that's really useful for you because you can then write to that person to express your interest in buying their property. Another thing that you can see here is that there is a lender on the property, and that lender in this case is NatWest Bank. So they have provided a mortgage for the purchaser to buy this property. Now if we scroll down a bit, in section B, we've got the owner's information that I've blanked out here. But we can also see that this property was purchased by the current owner on the 2nd of October 2009 for £78,000. Now that's really useful information for us because we can see how long they've owned it for, and it'll also give us a clue as to what kind of financial situation they might be in. So for example, I know that this road in Liverpool houses are not worth £78,000 right now. So there is quite a high chance that this person might be in negative equity, and I've explained that concept in another video. So knowing that information will also inform the way that you might approach this person and what kind of deal structure you might want to put together for this. So for example, in this case, where a person is in negative equity, you might want to approach the owner with the offer of a purchase lease option, which I've explained in another video. Now, just under this information here, you can see that there is a restriction against the property, which says no disposition of the registered estate by the proprietor of the registered. So that basically just protects NatWest as the lender on the property from the owner selling that property without their consent first, because of course when the owner comes to sell that property, NatWest need to be paid back. So just scrolling down a bit further, there's lots of other information that isn't too relevant, and we'll come on to the title plan here. So this is basically just a map of the area, and it shows in a red outline the boundaries of that specific property. So there you have it. There's a quick tip to show you how to be a property spy by searching the Land Registry for just £3. I hope that was really useful. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.